to my first tutorial, not tutorial, review by Sweet Design. This is Harry. I'm going to be showing you about Intego Backup Manager Pro for Mac. Obviously, it's a Mac that I'm using. I just downloaded this from Lacey. It's a trial version. I'm just going to install it now. So, English, install Backup Manager Pro. Now I'm going to pause this video now just so I can get all this bit done, and then I will come back. Okay then, welcome back. Intego Backup Manager Pro wants you to restart your Mac. I worked out that you don't have to, but I'm going to just to show in the tutorial that you do. Okay, so I'll be back in a bit. Hello and welcome back. The only thing I've opened since I booted up the Mac is ScreenFlow because I'm recording my screen. Now, when you boot it up, Intego Backup Manager Pro will automatically be put in your dock just so it's ready to use and so on. Now I'm going to go back up, overhead projector. I set this up already from an old review of this piece of software on a different YouTube account. So here you go. I'm just going to back it up. You choose your file and where it wants to go. This shouldn't take very long. 1 second without any... oh, 0 files were copied in 0 seconds. No, 1 second without any errors. That's because you didn't copy anything. Or did it? Intego Backup Manager Pro. It did. Strange. A little bit wrong with the coding there, I have to say. That's a bit stupid. But never mind. Let's get rid of that one. There. I can't do a bootable backup. Firstly, the file size is way too big and it'll take about 4 or 5 hours. And secondly, if I wanted to make that hard drive as a bootable hard drive, it would need to be repaired and fixed and so on, because it is currently broken. Not sure how, but it just is. You can use an ASR disk image, which I've made a lot of in my time, but I don't really need to say any more. I'm not going to, as I said, it's too big, but I'll do a synchronization, so I'll edit. Actually, I'll use that one. Last time I did this I used my desktop, but what I did is I only just realised that the amount of stuff that was copied across when I did that, it was an entire waste of space. So what I'll do instead is I'll just use Dropbox. Yeah. I'll just use that one and I'll click synchronize. Now then, gives you summary, too little. Oh, the following conflict has been detected. I think I might know why that's happening, but I'll just continue. Okay, I've just realised there has been a complete error with this because it's not entirely worked properly. I'll unpause this once I've seen what the problem was. Okay, I'm just going to try this one again. I'm just going to keep that same file. Change this destination. On my desktop I'm just going to create a new folder called empty. Then a new folder inside it called empty. I'll see if this time it works. Synchronization succeeded. 3 files were copied in 1 second without any errors. There you go. End of. Very good. Still like Time Machine, because I like to be able to, when I get my next hard drive, my 1TB hard drive, I'll be able to install from that backup. But anyway, that's that, and there you go.